If you're Canadian, you can't start the day off without your morning Timmies. Okay, so plan for today is we're just gonna keep wrapping this car. But yesterday, actually, I think we used up most of the orange. So I'm gonna need to order more of this. I just don't know if the stores here in Calgary actually carry any of the bubble-free 3M. Finish up the MX3 as much as we can with whatever orange we have left. And then Brendan, who's the owner of a blue S15, is gonna come by to bring his car in. And we're gonna wrap his roof black. I had extra black vinyl wrap lying around, so I promised him I'd help him with his roof. Today's just gonna be a continuation of what we were doing, which is wrapping cars. Yeah. Just get it. And what sucks about this area is actually there is a drain in this garage, so we're capable of having a hose in this place. Once we get that in, we can actually wash our cars here, and we can probably do detailing services at this place. But back here, it kind of just pools in this area, which sucks. So here's a small walk around of the MX3 and what we've wrapped so far. So front fender piece, yes, and I'm doing the two-tone thing, exactly like the FRS. For me, that was my solution to saving some vinyl wrap and to make things easier for ourselves, so we wouldn't have to cut one huge piece, but we ran out anyway. I have yet to do the bumper, but I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna be doing that, if we have to do it in two pieces. Still have to do this door, but again, no more vinyl wrap. So my plan is to add a couple of gold chrome accents all over this car. So while we wait for Brendan, I guess we can get started with the canards. Just trying to picture this now. Also, I really just wanted to test out. For your information, this is the really, really cheap stuff that I bought off of eBay from China. So, I'm curious.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime might perpetrate next? He's a very clever arch criminal who must be
Brendan, what up, dude? This is what we're trying to cover up. So clean. Knifeless tape laid down. The thing about Silvia roofs, well, actually the body panels are all one piece, so kind of have to figure out the lines ourselves.
Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You've been on the new stuff, and I've been on that same shit. Ooh, goddamn. Girl, why are you playing with me? I don't got the time for that. I might need me a refund, cause I'ma need that time back. You say you'll try, I've heard that lie 1,000 times before. I'm not sad, I'm not crying. If you mad, then that's fine, but I think that I should.
Utes. Yep. Hey. And then that's it, man. You can pull the bottom part off, and then remember to always get this green part off too. It's clean, dude. I just got to get rid of this back excess part, tuck it in, and we're golden. Nice, dude. Okay, should be decent. Hey. All right. Okay. We're gonna call it an early day at the garage. And we just, Yeah, that's true. Show you guys what his roof job looks like outside in daylight. We decided we're just gonna eat Thai food at this nearby restaurant, which we always go to actually. It's like the go-to since it's so close by. And I'm just gonna wrap the rest of my pieces at home. Cleanest part on the car right now. Dude, we did a good job lining it, man. Clean. Good job. Kisma Straz now doing vinyl jobs. New sticker. Sticky. Yo, this place is the bomb. Thanks, bro. Cheers. Hi for 3. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That gold wrap. Oh, so beautiful. All right, I mean, on the surface looks pretty scratched up and beat, but I mean, there's a little plastic layer that you peel off after it is installed. I mean, the pieces I'm wrapping, pretty small anyway. This is all I need, but it's just to test this material. For a first trial with this cheap stuff as well. There it is, all finished. Other than a couple of the edges that I had to patch up and like this cheap chrome vinyl stuff, not the greatest. Hey, looks a-okay. Let's go test these out on the FRS.